Welcome to Upbeat Consult channel, where knowledge meets innovation. Today, we unlock the door to a foundational aspect of medical devices registration. Medical devices are regulated to ensure that they are safe and effective for patients. The regulatory requirements vary depending on the country, but there are some general principles that apply to most countries. The first step in registering a medical device is to determine the classification of the device. The classification of a medical device determines the level of regulatory oversight that it is subject to. In the United States, medical devices are classified into three classes: Class 1, Class 2, and Class 3. Class 1 devices are the least risky, Class 2 devices are moderately risky, and Class 3 devices are the most risky. The next step is to gather the required documentation. The documentation required for registration will vary depending on the country, but it will typically include the following: a technical file that describes the design, manufacturing, and testing of the device. Clinical data that demonstrates the safety and effectiveness of the device. A quality management system, QMS, that ensures that the device is manufactured and tested to high standards. Once the documentation is complete, it is submitted to the regulatory authority for review. The regulatory authority will review the documentation and decide whether to grant registration to the device. As we wrap up our journey through the world of the regulatory requirements for registration of medical devices, the process can be complex and time-consuming. However, it is important to comply with these requirements to ensure that medical devices are safe and effective for patients. If you are considering registering a medical device, it is important to consult with a regulatory expert to ensure that you are in compliance with the applicable regulations. If you found this video enlightening, don't forget to hit the like button, share it with your colleagues, and subscribe to our channel for more insightful content. Join us as we unravel the mysteries of various industries, one topic at a time.